like to act?
Yes!
Perfect, because today we're going to act. But first, number one, we're going to write a text, okay? And remember the postcard we wrote from New Zealand?
Yeah.
Saying, in New Zealand, I can, with different activities. Okay, let's use this text as an example, okay?
Okay.
So, let's write, in New Zealand, I can.
In New Zealand.
In New Zealand. I can. C-A-N.
Okay, I can.
Yes, I can. Who's in that? I can.
I can skydive. I can go skydiving.
I can go skydiving. Good job. I can go skydiving. Everybody. I can go skydiving.
I can go skydiving.
Okay.
Lucy.
I can go canoeing.
I can go canoeing. Go canoeing in the Atlantic Ocean?
I can go canoeing on Lake Taupo.
Yeah, good job. Topo, yeah.
Canoeing? How do you write canoeing?
N-G.
Like this?
Yes.
N-G.
Good. On lake. T-A-U.
T-A-U.
P-O.
P-O.
Yes.
I can herd sheep.
Oh yes, you can.
Okay. I can go herding sheep. No.
I can herd sheep.
I can herd sheep. Okay.
And last one.
Ships.
No.
Oh.
Sheep. It never changes like fish. And I can eat pavlova. Pavlova. Sorry. It's a really good specialty from New Zealand. Pavlova. P-L-O-V-A.
Pavlova. Okay.
Perfect. Okay. So this is our text. Okay. Number two. Let's transform this into an act.
Okay.
Let's read it together. In New Zealand, I can go skydiving, go canoeing on Lake Taupo, herd sheep, eat pavlova. Okay, now let's find some sort of an act for each, okay? So, in
New Zealand.
New Zealand, what can we do for New Zealand? Something like... Let's fly to New Zealand, okay? So, the haka. In New Zealand, I can go skydiving. Okay. I can go. Oh, canoeing. For canoeing, we'll be all together. Canoeing. I can go canoeing on Lake Taupo. I can herd sheep. So Lucy, you are the shepherd? Yeah, okay. And we are the sheep, okay? Okay. And I can eat pavlova. Okay. So now, let's do this all in once, okay? Ready? And normal.
Okay.
Let's see how long it takes. And in New Zealand, I can go skydiving, go canoeing on Lake Taupo, herd sheep, eat pavlova. Okay, we did it in 20 seconds. Can we do it in 10 seconds?
10 seconds.
Are you guys ready? So we need to go fast. Okay, everybody, fast! And go! In New Zealand, I can go skydiving, go canoeing on Lake Taupo, herd sheep, eat pavlova. 10 seconds. Nice. Can we do it in 5 seconds? Ready?
Okay.
In New Zealand! Okay, go Spanish! Go, come on! 6 seconds! Pretty good! Pretty good! Now...
I ate too much.
Yeah. Last one. Can we do it? Not in 2 or 3 seconds, but as fast as we can. Okay?
Okay.
Like really, really fast. And go. Four seconds. Nice. Woo! Perfect. Okay. So you can use this with anything. It can be every can be a different character. It can be a whole story. It can be a lot of things. You can do it even slower. You can do go canoeing. You can do different voices. You can do robot style. You can do a lot of different things, okay? But I guarantee you it's really fun. And I'm literally panting right now. Bye already.